Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about how to write the content in the file using the file writer class. Okay, first I import the file writer class that is present inside the java.io package. F must be capital, W must be capital. Okay, and I import input output exception to handle the errors. Okay, and this is my class test2file write. Inside this class I have created the main method. Now I implement the exception handling using the try and catch block. So inside the round brackets, I pass the input output exception and the name of the variable. Whatever we want, we give. Here I give IE. Now I create the object for file writer class. Okay, file writer is the name of the class and FW is the name of the object for file writer class, and new is the keyword that is used to create the memory for FW object during the execution of the program, and parameterized constructor for file writer class. Inside the round brackets we have to pass the path of the file. Inside the D drive backslashes text to file. AB is my text to file. Now I try to write the content inside this file only using the file writer class. Okay, and inside this file writer class we have the write inbuilt method. Okay, with the help of that write method only now we can write the content inside this AB text file. Okay, so I use the object for file writer class to call the write method. Okay, and here inside this round brackets we pass the content inside the quotes. Welcome to my home. Always be happy. Okay, so this is the content. Whatever we want we give. So this content will be stored inside the AB text file using this write method that is present inside the file writer class. Okay, that's why I have used the object for this class. Okay, we have to close the object for file writer class in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay, so FW is the object for file writer class, and using the close method we can close the opened file. Okay, system.out.println successfully updated. This is for our output message. Okay, if any error is raised inside the try block means this catch block is responsible to handle that error. Okay, so this inbuilt exception class is used to handle the error that is raised inside the try block. Okay, and here system.out.println IE. Okay, this is the variable for this IO exception class. So the inbuilt exception message will be stored, that will be printed with the help of the println method. Okay, so I repeat it again. This is my file Okay, AB is my text file. This file is present inside the D drive and I want to write the content inside this text file. How is it possible? With the help of the file writer class. Okay, this file writer class is present inside the java.io package. Okay, and inside the file writer class we have the write inbuilt method. With the help of this inbuilt method only we can write the content inside this specified file. Okay, and after then we have to close the file writer object in order to avoid the corruption of the opened file. Okay, and this is only the output statement. This catch is responsible to handle the error that is raised inside the try block. Okay, so here this is the name of the variable. The inbuilt error message will be stored inside this variable that will be printed on our console using the println method. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. First we have to save this file. Now let me execute this one. So we got successfully updated. Okay, open the file that is present inside the D drive. Okay, what is the name of the file? AB. This is the file. Here, welcome to my home, always be happy. Okay, now I change this content. God is always with us. This is my new content. After save, I execute the same. We got successfully updated. Now open that file again. AB is the name of the file. So God is always with us. So if we want to write the content inside the specified file, we can use the file writer class. Okay, this is present inside the java.io package, and inside the file writer class we have the write inbuilt method. Using this inbuilt method we can write the content inside the specified file. Now let's discuss about how to get the information about the file using the file inbuilt class. Okay, first I import file class. F must be capital, and this is my class name, test file info. Inside this class I have created the main method. Now I create the object for file class. New is the keyword to create the memory for F object during the execution of the program, and file parameter constructor. Inside the round brackets I pass the path of the file. Text file. Now I use the while loop. Inside the file object we have the exist method. Okay, so now I use the object for file class to call that method, f object dot exist method. Okay, so this method returns boolean value. If it returns true, this file is exist inside the D drive. If it returns false, this file is not present inside the D drive. Okay, so now system.out.println the file name. Concatenation symbol, my object name FOBJ dot get name method. Okay, Likewise, I copy this statement, print absolute path of the given specified file. I use the get absolute path. Okay, this is the inbuilt method that is present inside the file class. This method returns the absolute path of the specified file. Okay, and then writable. Is this writable or not? How can I check? Inside the file class we have the can write inbuilt method. With the help of that method we can check whether this file is writable or not. Okay, so what method? Can write method. Okay, and I want to check whether the specified file is readable or not. Okay, so what can I do? We have the method. What method? Can read method is present inside the file class, so we can use that method. Okay, can read. So this method returns boolean value again. It returns true if the specified file is readable. Okay, and I change the output statement. And the size of the file. How can I get? Using the length method. Okay, this is also the inbuilt method that is present inside the file class. Okay, this method returns the byte size of the specified file. Okay, and if the specified file is not present, the exists method return the false. At the time the control comes here, else block. Okay, so the file does not exist. Okay, so if we want to know the file information, we can use the file class. Okay, inside the file class we have so many inbuilt methods. From that methods we can use, okay, whatever we need. Here I have used the get name method, get absolute path, can write, can read and length. Okay, get name method returns the name of the specified file. Get absolute path returns the path of the specified file. Can write method returns boolean. It returns true if the specified file is writable. Okay, it returns false if the specified file is not writable. Okay, likewise can read method returns boolean. It returns true if the specified file is readable. Okay, if it returns false means the specified file is not a readable one. Okay, length returns the byte size of the given specified file. Got it? Okay, here we have the error message. Okay, here I have to give the if, not while. Okay, decision making statement only we have to implement here. So if it returns false only, the control comes here and the else block will be executed. Okay, first I have to save. Now let me execute the program. Get name returns av.text to file and get absolute path returns the path of the file D drive AB text, and can write method returns true. We can write, and can read method returns true. So we can read. And the length of the given file is 35. Okay, this is the byte size. Got it? Okay. You go and check. So what content inside the AV text? Inside the D drive, AB. Good morning, welcome to my home. This is my content. Okay, so we got 35. This is the size of the file. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.